You know who am I? I am third year PG resident in a medical college, and I am suffering a massive amount of depression. I haven't been to college since 10 days, and I'm feeling like very much mess in my head. I'm not feeling good. I just want to share my thoughts here that doing post graduation is not very easy. Like, I'm touching 28, I'm not earning a single penny. All the money, first year fee, second year fee, third year fee, has been sponsored by my parents, and I feel like being in third year, I don't know enough of anything. I feel myself very belittled, and I don't know where I'm going. I don't have any direction. I am just unaware of what I am doing. I am just not doing good. Please tell me something. I'm just having a lot of suicidal thoughts, and I feel crazy inside my head. I feel like working all day, doing so much of emergency work, but still no paycheck. And coming home, seeing my parents ill, I feel like a day wasted in my life. I don't know why I am feeling this. I don't know what my future holds. I'm just stuck in the midway. I don't know what's going to happen. I feel like I'm helpless. Sometimes I feel so much energetic, but the next moment I feel depressed as hell. I read things that make my mind good, but I don't know what holds next. I feel bad. I don't know. Carrying the weight of surgeon, am I doing good? What am I doing? What am I supposed to do after my third year?